morning, students. In the previous video, we have completed the exercise, not completed, almost completed the exercise of the poem Granny's Tree Climbing. We have reached up to here. Now, in this video, we will talk about the other questions. So, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? You all know what is the meaning of rhyme scheme, but still I am going to explain. Y high, similar sounds. Y high, AA, U2, BB, gift lift, CC, told, old, DD. So you can fill it here, AA, BB, CC, DD, and so on. This is the rhyme scheme of the poem. Now here these are the questions: horse, life skill, values, writing skills. These I will make you write. I will send the picture to you, and that will be uploaded through the DAV website. Okay, so today only let's start with the next chapter. That is chapter number 3, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. This is very important chapter for you all, not only for this year but for the next year also, because this chapter here you have chapter number 3 in your English book, but in class 9 it will be chapter number 1 according to the NCERT syllabus. So before beginning the chapter, we will do some pre-reading task. Read these questions and share your responses with your partners. You can take help of your parents in that to share the responses. This is a picture of a school. You can see that. At what time do you go to your school? Do you like going to school? Why or why not? So that is the answer to be given by you. What would happen if your teachers were replaced by computers? Means one day you go to schools and instead of teachers you will get computers to teach you. How long does it take you to reach your school? Do you enjoy the journey? Obviously, I know that children always enjoy that journey, even not only coming to the school but when they depart from the school. Do you like vacation? Why? What would you prefer, studying at home or going to school? Now you can feel it. In the lockdown period, you are studying at home and generally you go to school, so you can compare it in a very good manner. How many hours do you work on a computer in your school? Would you like to work longer? So these are the questions that are about your school. You can tell them to your parents. Now let's begin with the story. So this is the story written by Isaac Asimov about the school experience of two children living in 2155. You know, we are living in 2020. So this year is far away from this time. So these are the future children. You can see in the picture they are future children. So let's begin with the story. Margie. Margie is a character. Margie even wrote it that night in her diary. So it is about Margie that she came to know about something and she wrote about it in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2155. So where she wrote on a page and she wrote the date also 17 May 2155. She wrote, Today Tommy found a real book. So Tommy is her friend. So she wrote, Today Tommy found a real book. What is the meaning of that real book? What Tommy found? We only know certain books. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They are talking about our time. Nowadays, stories are printed on paper. We know that we have computers also. We are not so backward. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. So they were turning the pages of the, you can see the book, you can see the condition of the book, yellow pages and wrinkled, they are wrinkled, mude tude, and it was awfully funny, and it was so funny to read words that stood still. You are now also you are reading the words that are still. So you are seeing these words through your mobile phone or computer, but in reality they are in a book and they are still. But this thing was funny for these future children. When they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. So that means when they turn the pages, text remains the same, it doesn't change. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you're through the book, you just throw it away, I guess. That means Tommy said it's a kind of wastage because once you read a book, it is of no use. You just throw it away. Our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Now, according to them, book means the television screen in which so many books are saved, and there was a space for plenty more, and they said they are not going to throw it. Same with mine means they are comparing their way of reading books and the previous book. Same with my, said Margie. She was 11 and had not seen many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. She said, did you find it? So here Margie's and Tommy's experience or thinking is all the same for the old book. So Margie was asking him that where did you find it? Tommy said, in my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Attic is a room at the top of a building. It is a kind of storehouse. What's it about? So Margie asked that what is written in the book? What is the topic of the book? Margie was scornful. Margie was a little bit irritated. Or school? What's there to write about school? Because Margie didn't like school, then she said, is it a topic to write on? I hate school. I don't like school at all. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So why Margie hated the school? Because her mechanical teacher, we will come to know what is a mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher was giving her test after test. Again and again he was giving her test in geography, and she was not doing good in those tests. So finally mother called a county inspector, a person who used to inspect the mechanical teacher. You can see in the picture, this is a mechanical teacher. Just imagine in your classroom this kind of teacher will be there. You will all laugh throughout the period. And that is a county inspector. He is inspecting the mechanical teacher. That's Margie, you can see. So he was round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. So they are talking about the county inspector. Okay, little man, red face. Then he smiled at her and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart for inspection. Margie had hoped that he wouldn't know how to put it together again. So Margie was thinking maybe he was not able to repair that teacher. Why she was thinking that? Because she did not like that teacher, she did not like that school. But he knew how to set it all right, and after an or so, there it was again. So obviously county inspector's job was that, so he was able to repair the teacher, mechanical teacher, large and black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. You have seen the mechanical teacher, so this is the description of the mechanical teacher. That wasn't so bad, means appearance was okay, that was fine. What was bad? The part she hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. The part where she had to submit all the things, all her homework and test papers. So, in a particular manner, that was a punch code, she had to write the answers, and the mechanical teacher used to calculate her marks for that. So, today up to here only we will study. You should revise all of the things we have studied in the chapter. And thank you. Have a nice day.